Hello, it's Miss McCauley, your first grade teacher. So today we're going to be working on this word problem. And so write your name at the top. And this standard that we're working on is OA 1.OA.A1. So 1 is for first grade. OA is for operations and algebraic thinking, part A of number 1. Okay? Not with this one, okay? Because this one involves adding 3 numbers. And we're not going to add 3 numbers on this one. So on this one, I'm going to read this 3 times. And you're going to think about who the problem is about is the first question, okay? So here I go. How would you share 2 cakes with 3 people? Who is the problem about? Yeah, it's about 2 cakes, right? About cakes. Okay, next question is, what's happening with the cakes? Here I go. How would you share 2 cakes with 3 people? Okay, so what's happening with the cakes? Yeah, we're going to share them, right? People are going to share these cakes. Okay, last question is, what do we know? What do we not know? Here it goes. How would you share 2 cakes with 3 people? So what do we know? Yeah, we know that there are 2 cakes. And we know that there are 3 people. Okay? And they're going to share those cakes, right? All right. So what we don't know is how we're going to share them. We know that we're going to share the 2 cakes, and we're going to share it with 3 people, and we don't know how many each person is going to get. So that's what we got to find out. So let me draw 2 cakes. I'm going to make them square cakes instead of round cakes, okay? Because if they're round cakes, they're harder to share. So this is cake number 1 and cake number 2. Okay, so if we want to share them with 3 people, we got to share them equally, correct? They each have to have the same amount. So let's see. Okay, that looks about equal, right? Each piece is about the same size. Okay, same thing. Each piece is about the same size. Okay, so this is thirds and this is thirds, right? Thirds means 3 pieces, equal pieces, and 3 equal pieces. This is 3 thirds. 3 equal pieces. 3 thirds. How much would each person get if you're going to share the cake with the 3 people? Okay, so each person gets how many blank thirds? How many thirds does each person get? Write that down here, please. Okay. All right. Good job.